Time value of money. Time value of money is the mathematical foundation of the discipline of finance. It is the theoretical basis of valuation of financial assets. All valuation is basically the present value of the future cash flows discounted at the required rate of return or discount rate, which reflects the market's consensus of the time value of the trade-off between foregoing consumption today and the expected fruit of saving or investing by foregoing that consumption today. Through this module, you will learn different types and patterns of cash flows and how to calculate their time-adjusted values and the ways to solve for other variables such as rates required and the time periods that can become the unknown quantity. You will also expand your knowledge and understanding of the exponents and logarithms and how they can be applied to solve for the unknowns in the time value problems, and learn how to expand time from discrete units into seamless continuum. After successful completion of this module, you will be able to perform most of the actuarial computations by algebraic models in Excel, even on a massive scale, in a split second.